Dear students, let's start the biochemistry practicals. So experiment number 1. So today's our first practical is to study the scheme for identification of unknown sample of the carbohydrates. Dear students, if you have unknown sample and someone asked to identify it, first of all you identified the carbohydrate present or not. If the carbohydrate present, which type of the carbohydrate present in the sample. So for this we have followed this scheme. So first of all we have done the Molish test. Second is the solubility test. If our sample is soluble in water, then monosaccharide and the disaccharide is present. If our sample insoluble in water, then polysaccharide is present. First of all we did discuss about the when our sample is soluble in water. If our given sample is soluble in water, then we can see that the monosaccharide and disaccharide is present. Example of monosaccharide and disaccharides are the glucose, fructose, lactose, maltose, etc. Then we have done the Fehling test, Benedict test, Stomer test. If these tests are the positives, then the reducing sugar is present. Example is the glucose, fructose. If these tests are negative, then non-reducing sugars are present. Example is the sucrose. Reducing sugars are those sugar compounds which have free aldehyde and ketone group. Non-reducing sugars are those compounds which have no free aldehyde or ketone group. That is called as the non-reducing sugar. If Fehling test, Benedict test and the Stomer test are the positive, then reducing sugar is present. Again we have done the Barfoed test. If Barfoed test is positive, then monosaccharide is present. If Barfoed test is negative, then disaccharides is present. Example of the monosaccharides is the glucose, fructose, and example of the disaccharide is the lactose. If monosaccharide is present, then we have to do the Selivanov test and rapid furfural test. If these tests are positive, then ketoses are present. Example of ketosis group is the fructose. If these tests are the negative, then glucose is present that have the aldehyde group. If the Barfoed test is negative, then disaccharide is present. Then again we have done the Osazone test. If the Osazone test is positive, then lactose is present. If Osazone test is negative, then maltose is present. These scheme follow when our sample is soluble in water. If our sample is insoluble in water, then polysaccharide is present. Then we have to do iodine test. If iodine test gives the blue color, then starch is present. If iodine test gives the brown color, then glycogen is present. These represent the scheme by which we have identified the unknown sample of the carbohydrates. Thank you, students.